Hey, I bet you I can get a girl in 1 second.
No, you can't.
Watch. Hey, baby, my ass. Boom.
Oh, that's so romantic.
Whatever.
Oh, come back. How did that even fucking work?
Pay up.
How much?
10 grand.
Does beer bottle count?
No.
Oh, give me a minute. Hands out. 1, 2.
There's no point living anymore. Please, God, give me a sign. Is that good?
You fucking dickhead, mate! You fucking clown! Ah, fuck ya!
I know now what must be done.
What you say?
Yeah, mate! You fucking dickhead! Ah, yeah, shit, ah, good job, Baron.
Wish you could step up.
Oh.
This is the way, my niggas.
You racist cunt!
No, I'm not.
Oh, I'm sorry! I'm sorry!
Be racist, This is for all the fine ladies over there. There you go. Okay, now I'm gonna play the true African music. Sorry.
You suck!
Shut up! I hope I get this correct. I'm not racist, but this is the way. Hey baby, wanna have sex?
I'm actually on my period.
Oh! I don't want your sticky pussy on my dick. Get out of here! Get out!
I can't help it! Go back to fucking Fishland where all the mermaids are at.
And stay out! Oh, gonna play with myself again.
Oh, not again! I forgot about my wallet! Oh yeah, Simba! Simba! What are you doing? I thought you out with your friends!
I forgot about my wallet. What are you doing?
Nothing. Hang on, let me finish.
No, you're not gonna finish. That's enough. Dolita. Oh.
Freeze, asshole! Oh, he's dead. Oh, I wanted to beat him until he's black and watch him get raped in prison. Oh, gay. Oh, I quit my job. Hey guys, welcome back to Man Whore Tutorials. Before we begin, I have to answer a burning question you know that is not me in the Pornhub video called Backdoor Sluts 9. It just happens to be my brother who looks a lot like me and his girlfriend looks a lot like my sister. Hey baby, you want to go for round 2? Julia! Hi, it's Steve-O, and this is the Dangerous Dive. Fucking die already! No more Steve-O, man! Don't care!